been having weird nightmares. They've all involved a congregation of white bunnies in a circle. As if they're plotting something evil, something wicked upon this world. What do they want with me? It's a continuous cycle of frightening horror.
Bunnyhenge, your plan to take over the world has to stop. This plan to take over the world will cease immediately. That's right. I'm on to your plan now.
Yeah, excuse me, but we don't plan on taking over the world.
What? Wait,
Yeah, man, we're like just a playground for kids. Really, nothing more, nothing less. Could you leave now?
Well, I do apologize. All right, I'll leave. But only on one condition. Now this is all I was asking for, guys.
No, that's wonderful. Could you leave now? Please. No, really, get off of me and leave.
Sure. Okay. Carry on. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my vlog show. And today brings us out to Newport Beach Civic Center, out here in California. Beautiful sunny California. Not so sunny today. Oh yeah, this is Newport Beach City Hall. I don't know what I said earlier. Sometimes I can mess up where I am. And of course today we are out here checking out Bunnyhenge, and even though these bunnies look very innocent while they're in the circle planning their world dominance, even though they are innocent looking, they are not without their controversy. That's right, people, that's right, not without their controversy. And the controversial part is, well, see, when these were put in 2013, they were met with joyous happiness, and you know, most people were very excited for this idea. But the price tag is the controversial part. You see, each of these innocent little white bunnies cost $13,800. That's right, people. That brings the price tag up to $222,000. So, having heard that, many people were not very happy with the hefty price tag that came along with beautifying the Civic Center Park. But here's the deal, folks. The damage has already been done. There's nothing at this point anybody can do to get the money back. So I think, not to get political on this channel, this is not what this channel is about, but the flip side of the whole anger of the tax money is, well, it's here now and it benefits the kids. Kids come out here and they have fun, climbing on these bunnies. I mean, who wouldn't? If I was a kid, I would love doing this. So there has been talk about taking these bunnies away for some political stance maybe, or maybe some kind of moral stance of some sort. Who knows what the stances are for, but like I said, damage has been done. The bunnies are here, and they're here to stay, at least for now. Well, everybody, I want to thank you for following me along on this vlog. I appreciate it. That is the Bunnyhenge, and I would appreciate if best way you can support this channel is just by pressing that subscribe button. And if you want to give me a like and a comment as well, please do down below. And on the way out, I'm going to give you a little montage of other art pieces that are here in Newport Beach Civic Center lawn. There's a lot of different art pieces, and I'm just going to show you my favorite on the way out. So thank you for joining me, and I hope you join me for my next video, guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye. I said bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, you're gonna stick around for the other art. I get it. Sorry. And the other ones back there, probably the queen.